Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel where we talk about tech, toys, and life. So right now, let's talk about tech. So today we will be unboxing two of the best known wireless earbuds. They are very cheap compared to the Apple AirPods, obviously. So this video will be an unboxing and an impression video for these two items. So let's start with the Redmi Airdots muna. Ayan. So, binili namin sa Shopee parehas. Same store. This one is around 950. Kung sa ibang store, nag-offer sila ng free parang case, protective case for this one. Pero dito wala kasi hindi niya in-offer yan. Pero binili namin kasi pag dalawa yung item na binili mo, makakasave ka ng shipping fee and makakasave ka ng at least 200 pesos. So parang 250 yung na-save namin dahil binili namin yung dalawa na to sa isang shop. So yung name ng shop na pinagbilan namin is electroniccityshop.ph. So doon namin nakuha to. So this one is 950, this one is 1080. Okay, let's unbox this one first. Namating siya sa ganito, packaging, silang dalawa na. So walang box para sa kanilang dalawa. So okay, so unboxing. Sealed pa yung item. I don't know if kita. Ayan. Sealed pa siya. So ayan. Okay, so once ma-open, ito siya. May manual. Yung Redmi Airdots. And then, some Q-tips ba ito? Tawag na ito. Baka tatlo lang. May tatlong Q-tips nakasama. So, wala na. Wala naman na. Okay, so while opening this one, discuss ko na lang yung features ni Redmi Airdots. It has a Bluetooth 5.0 na version, and then for the earbuds, meron siyang 40 milliamp hours na battery, and then yung charging case meron siyang at least 300 milliamp hours na battery. So total battery life niya is around 12 hours. So okay na rin for a day, for whole day. And then yung earbuds niya, ando doon mismo yung buttons kung play, pause music yung gagawin mo. So hindi ko pa siya alam kung paano. Babasahin ko pa yung manual. Then wala siyang voice control or like Siri or Google. And then napansin nyo, walang kasamang charger. Ang pag-charge sa kanya ay micro USB. So, for sure naman, lahat meron ng micro USB nakatabi lang sa tabi-tabi ng bahay nyo. Pero sana, at least, dahil bumili ka ng item sa kanila, dapat may charger pa rin, diba? So, kahit cable lang, kahit wala nga yung brick, Pero yun, I have cable naman for this one, so no problem with it. Pero yung sa iba, syempre baka iba na yung gamit nila, naka type C na sila. Pero yan, sana may kasama lang na kahit charging cable lang kasi wala eh. Ayun lang. So ito lang, the earbuds, the manual, and replaceable Q-tips with different sizes. So yun na siya. Okay, so let's put that here. Next, we're going to unbox the Haylou GT1 Pro. So this one is a little bit pricier. So nasa 1,080 siya. And mamaya sabihin ko yung specs niya kung bakit siya mas mataas compared to Redmi Airdots. So this one is the Pro version. Merong GT1 lang. And then may GT2. Yung GT2 nasa 1.5 yata. And then yung GT1 nasa 800 or almost same price with the Redmi Airdots. Pero we went ahead with GT1 Pro syempre para ma-try na rin yung difference ni Xiaomi versus Haylou. So, let's do the unboxing. So, eto, si Haylou may sealed siya nung dumating. Dito rin siya nakalagay pero may outer plastic pa siya. Si Redmi Airdots wala. Ano lang, tape lang. Okay. So, unboxing it. So, this is the item. Okay. Para na siya. Ayan. Slide up yung pag-open niya. So, pansin natin na very different yung style ng packaging nila. And then, here you go. So, yun na yung Haylou GT1 Pro. And then, let's check what else is in the box. So, ayan. Ayun sinasabi ko. Si Haylou, micro USB din siya. And then, may kasamang charging cable. And then, meron din siyang replaceable Q-tips. So, and then, what else is in the box? Manual din. So, yun yung difference nila from the very start pa lang. Si Xiaomi Redmi Airdots, wala siyang charging cable na kasama. Si Haylou, meron. So, hindi naman siya ganun ka big deal, pero ma-appreciate mo pa rin yung companies na gumagawa ng ganun. Like, yun nga, sinasama pa rin nila yung charging cable. Kasi nga naman, syempre, dapat may dedicated charging cable ka for every device, diba? So, ayan. Meron siyang kasama. So, ito na siya. Let's remove lang yung packaging. So, as you can see, meron siyang parang Haylou na nakasulat. Not sure if nagre-reflect. Ayan. So, size comparison. Xiaomi Redmi Airdots, Haylou GT1 Pro. So, ayan sa gilid. Pag nakatayo. Ayan. A little size comparison then with the AirPods. So, Redmi Airdots to AirPods. So, mas mataas si AirPods and mas malapad. Compared naman to Haylou GT1 Pro, ito yung size difference. So, pag nakaganitong angle, manipis si AirPods. Pero pagka ganyan, mas mataas si AirPods. Okay. So, si GT1 Pro, ang difference niya sa GT1, meron siyang battery LED indicator. So, yan. Si Redmi Airdots, meron palang Pro version. Hindi yun yung nakuha ko kasi hindi ko alam na may Pro version pala. Pero nakita ko sa iba, may Pro version nga. And then, meron siyang LED rin dito. Kung ano na yung status ng battery. Okay, so si Haylou GT1 Pro, ang features niya, meron siyang fingerprint touch. So, I'm not sure if button ba yung earbuds para mag-play pause or change track or via finger touch. So, not sure pa. And then, it has a version 5.0 na Bluetooth. And then, IPX5 yung water resistant niya. So, hindi siya waterproof pero kasi ang waterproof I know IPX6. So, IPX5 lang siya. Siguro ano lang to, water resistant, not waterproof. And then, the earbuds, meron siyang 43 milliamp hours na battery. And then, the charging case itself, meron siyang 800 milliamp hours. So, sobrang layo. Si Redmi Airdots, meron siyang 300 milliamp hours. Si Haylou, meron siyang 800 milliamp hours. So, yung GT1 na hindi Pro, parang same kay Redmi Airdots na 300 milliamp hours yung charging case niya. So, sobrang layo ng difference. Almost times 3. Almost times 3 yung difference nung charging capacity niya. So, mas okay to kasi yung battery life niya up to 26 hours of battery life. Si Redmi Airdots, 12 hours lang. Ito, 26 hours. Plus, yung charging case pa na mas mataas yung milliamp hours niya. And then, it supports also Siri and Google. And then, it's also micro USB charging, kagaya ng Redmi Airdots. And then, may kasama siyang charging cable. So, this one is 1080. Si Haylou. And then, this one is 950. So, siguro ang mapapag-compare ko pa lang sa unboxing is yung physical items and then yung features niya. Hindi ko pa masabi ngayon yung usability or yung paggamit sa kanila kasi syempre kailangan natin i-try yan para ma-determine natin kung ano ba talaga mas okay. Pero in terms of the price, in terms of the features, parang kay Haylou GT1 Pro yung pick ko kasi nga first yung charging cable may kasama siya, kay Redmi Airdots wala. And then for those other people, I think it's a big deal. So kaya isang check 'yun para kay Haylou. And then in terms of the battery capacity, lamang na lamang si Haylou GT1 Pro, 26 hours versus 12 hours. So ang layo ng difference. And then lastly, yung noise cancelling, meron si Haylou GT1 Pro, and then si Redmi Airdots, hindi naman sinabi na meron. So I guess wala. So ayun lang. This is just a quick unboxing and a quick impression on how I feel about these products. So comment down below if you have any questions. Comment down below as well if you want to see a comparison review about comparing these two. And sama na natin si AirPods para may benchmark. So ayun. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and then tapping on the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I upload a video. So, talk to you soon.